A massive wave of beer suddenly burst into the streets, and people had seconds to react. In 1814 London, inside a brewery, a giant tank cracked. No one panicked. Big mistake. Moments later, it exploded, and then it got worse. The blast triggered a chain reaction. Tank after tank collapsed. Over 1 million liters of beer rushed out all at once. A wall of liquid tore through nearby houses. Streets turned into rivers. People were swept away. And the worst part? They noticed the problem and still did nothing.